Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey everybody, good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Teague, what's up? How you doing? Kanye wasn't crazy?
Artlist.io.
That's an interesting comment to wake up to. Do explain. Did I miss
Music
something?
licensing reimagined.
So, we got CPI this morning, 5:30, core CPI. That's pretty much what this candle is, I guess. So that's already taken care of. What else do we got here? We have University of Michigan sentiment at 7. So in about a half an hour from now. A little over a half an hour. Trump departs for Malaysia tonight. So, yeah, so US CPI. So that's obviously why we popped so much like we did.
Artlist.io.
Let's see here.
Music licensing reimagined.
What's up to everybody on X there? We got 3 in Nick's channel, 3 in Randy's channel, and 2 in my X channel. And we have 1 in YouTube. Obviously, big pop out of the gate here, pre-market with that CPI. 5:30 would have been good to be up for that, but
Artlist.io.
needed the sleep.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, we blew right through all the zones I was looking for this morning. I was saying by the way, guys, I did start a Discord channel for all the people that we stream with. So if you guys are interested in joining, I'll send you guys a link here real quick. If I can figure out how to do that.
Artlist.io.
Copy this up here. Don't know if you can see that there. Anyone on X, if you want to join the Discord channel, let me make a banner real quick for you guys so they can see.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. So anyone who wants to join us on Discord, it's called the Trading Mindset Hub, and there's the link, which maybe isn't that easy for you guys to get to, but it's something. And what do we got? We got about 10 seconds to the opening bell here. Good morning, Czar. How you doing? So far, it's just me. There we go. Bell's open. Market is open.
Artlist.io.
I really wanted to go short out of the gate here, just not for a very extended length of time, but
Music licensing reimagined.
I just kind of had that like urge, but I avoided it.
Artlist.io.
So I kind of think Zach Arbutti's mechanical model might work today on either of the indices. Actually, ES looks like a little bit better. We almost touched it
Music licensing
here. So
reimagined.
as you can see, just before the pre-market or right at that news candle, we kind of almost touched New York open. But what we can do is if we can get a candle closure below this green fair value gap, we could target midnight open for a short. There's not a whole lot of space depending on where this candle were to close, but that could be an option. And like as you can see over here, this NQ one, it did touch midnight open at 5:30. So I don't know, maybe that one's not as valid. But just with the size of the bullish fair value gap there, it is a bit of a challenge. Maybe I should take a look at the 1 minute. We might have a little bit different breakdown. No, it's still just a huge candle. So maybe we won't get to take that trade this morning. Gold's been bouncing pretty good.
Music licensing reimagined.
I did take a short on gold last night on that sell-off right around midnight. I was out playing hockey, and I didn't get home until almost 1 o'clock. And then was it 1 o'clock? Let's see, what time is this here? Yeah, like 12:50 or something, 12:45. And then I was watching gold here, sort of at this price in the middle here, 4,097. So as we broke this down, I ended up taking a little short scalp in this area.
Music licensing reimagined.
And we got Mr. Nick. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Morning. How you feeling about that CPI data this morning?
That's a big bullish candle.
Yep.
Yeah.
It is.
Were you awake for that?
I was. I've been awake since
Artlist.io.
about 2 in the morning.
Oh, that's like around the time I went to sleep. So did
Lucky
you take a
you.
trade on that or no?
No.
Okay. I thought you were going to say, yeah, I passed like 5 evals with one trade real quick
No.
there.
No. I ain't stupid. I'm not trading data like that. There's no way.
Still looking pretty bullish at the moment.
It is.
Is it a rule break
Music
day?
licensing reimagined.
It is not.
Did you see at the Discord there? I linked. I thought we were gonna go to our naked point of control yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and
Where
we
is
did.
the naked
and
point of control?
It's gone now. It was up at 67.98 on ES, and then I also had this like little zone drawn out that I was like thinking was a pretty good target, and CPI candle blew right through that whole thing. So.
Oh yeah, I see that. Ooh.
But yeah, it was.
Yeah, blew through that by a lot. You said 67.90?
Well, 790 was the
Music licensing reimagined.
point of control. There's 90, 67.95 maybe. So I already took it off my chart, but because once we engage it, it's kind of not really a draw on liquidity anymore. So. But yeah, we got that in pre-market sort of, or overnight market sort of at, what time is this?
Artlist.io.
2300, so 10 or 11 p.m. is when we hit that. So
I think today might just be an all-time high day.
might be a what?
Might be an all-time high day.
Artlist.io.
It could be, yeah. Let's take a quick look at the 4-hour chart here. I mean, it looks like NQ's already at its all-time high. Am I wrong?
ES isn't that far away.
Yeah, NQ's all the way there. We do have, I would suspect if we keep popping here, we might find some resistance around 25.721. That's kind of the top of that channel that I've had, I don't know, you probably remember, but I had this channel drawn since like September 1st or something.
Yeah, you showed me that. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I do remember you showing me.
Yeah, so 25.718 is sort of like, if we were to keep going relatively fast up here, that would be the top of that channel.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we kind of had some, well, it wasn't really, I guess it was equal highs, sort of 25,367.50, which is kind of right where we were before the CPI candle. So that would have been a nice target for liquidity, but they've already took that.
Artlist.io.
So, what else we got here?
Well, it's going to be a fun day, though.
Take a look at the 4-hour on ES here too. Yeah, I think ES is already up there. There's already all-time highs too.
Artlist.io.
Because I had this box drawn here from the previous all-time highs where we, that CPI candle plus this move just blew right through that. Like nothing.
What was the all-time high for ES?
Music
Previous
licensing
all-time high
reimagined.
was 68.12.75, and we're 68.29.25. So we're 17 points over it already. $68.12.75. So we can mark that one on our chart. Actually, I already have my high a week marked on there. It used to be high a week, but it's all-time highs.
All right, so I can close out some options today.
Yeah, you have some options going.
Oh yeah, I got
Music licensing
400
reimagined.
contracts going right now.
Whoa. On like
And
SPY sort of or something?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Which contracts, like for SPY?
CoreWeave, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon.
Nice. Okay, well, I mean, I guess we got to look for longs this morning, right?
Artlist.io.
I mean, you can't really be anything other than long as of now.
Yeah.
I wanted to talk to you about this a little bit.
Yeah.
Starting to test out a new strategy.
Okay.
Using
Artlist.io.
quant information. And if I can find it here, there we go. Seems to only work on NQ though.
Oh yeah. What is it? Is it like?
Music licensing.
So I was looking through QuantView. Do you know QuantView?
I mean, I've heard of it a couple times lately. I'm not really sure about it at all. Like, I haven't heard it. I heard that word like multiple times lately, but no idea what it is.
Somebody had sent me a one of their indicators and asked me to check it out.
Okay.
So because I was up so early this morning, I ended up going over the past year of data with it.
Oh wow.
And it actually works pretty well. I adjusted the band waves on it to fit my trading style.
Okay.
Because you have different like cloud bands, and yeah, it's a royal pain in the butt getting it to where you want it, but after you do, it seems to work actually pretty well. So I think I'm going to try some automation through Traders Post.
Okay. Nice.
So if you have any time later this week,
for sure,
we can do a call on the Discord, and
Okay.
I'll just share my screen with you and show you what the past year looks like. I got it all marked up and ready to go.
Nice. Is that a paid indicator?
It is, yeah.
Artlist.io.
Nice.
You can get it through Lux Algo, I believe.
Okay.
No, it's actually straight through QuantView. Sorry.
Okay. Is it sort of like the VWAP waves kind of thingy?
Sort of, yeah. You a lot, actually, two of them do match up with session VWAP and previous days.
Okay. Nice. But just going back over the data, you found that it's worked a lot, hey?
Yeah, it does seem to work a lot, and it's very similar to, after I changed the bandwidth on it, it's very similar to my trading style.
Nice.
So it's probably going to take me a couple of weeks to go through all of it and see what I have to do to make it work. But after I do, I'm going to hook a couple of prop accounts to it.
Yeah.
And see if I can just
pass some evals with it.
Yeah.
Just try to pass some evals, right?
Just let those go in the background for a while and see what it does.
So that's interesting. So you can do automation through Traders Post.
Yeah, that's actually what they originally. That was their original business model, was just automation.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm really starting to like the Traders Post. The more I use it, the happier I am with it.
Sweet.
Artlist.io.
So we won our hockey game in overtime. It was pretty dope. It's a good game.
What was that?
We won our hockey game in overtime yesterday.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
So Randy's on his way home, looks like.
Yeah. I told him he had to get some liquid sedative in him before the plane takes off.
Oh, yeah.
I hate flying. I don't fly without at least a couple of pints of bourbon in me.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, so on the Discord, anyone who's got the red tag, the coach tag, you have more permissions than everybody else.
Yeah, I thought it was funny when I saw that. I'm like, coach? I don't know if I'm qualified for that shit.
I guess it's kind of like the theme of the
Music licensing
of the Discord.
reimagined.
No, I get it.
And I mean, you got lots of great information, right? So I mean, I wouldn't think about it like that. But.
I really feel like I don't. Just because all my stuff is so incredibly simple.
Yeah, but isn't that what some people just really need, right?
Maybe.
People really need that. So, like, it works perfect for you. So there's got to be lots of other people it works perfect for, right?
Artlist.io.
All right. I just put in 10 contracts long on NQ.
Ooh. I was what? So we just got some sort of news there. What time is it right now?
Great.
Artlist.io.
No, well, that's why we started going there. U.S. PMI flash, 645. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI flash, actual 52.2, forecast 52, previous 52. So it hit bang on.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of right at the top of the range there. Oh, that's 55 actually. No, 35, 45, 40, 45. We're just setting the range right now. Turn on my Lux Algo opening range.
Artlist.io.
I didn't even put my view ups on yet either. I've been too busy blobbing away.
What is wrong with you? Get your shit together, man.
No. What is going on here? 630 candle, 630 candle, 630 candle.
Music licensing reimagined.
Alright, we're set. There we go. Let's get the Dow one too. Ooh, Dow's really strong. Really strong.
Artlist.io.
Right as I say that, it pulls back a good 23 points.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, the ES just dropped below my my entry price.
Oh, you're on ES? I thought you said NQ.
No, my the thing I'm gonna test is on NQ.
Oh,
But I
okay.
need to wait. I need to wait until this calms down a little bit.
Yeah. Maybe Dow has some room to the upside still for the all-time highs. Oh, we're like, we didn't quite take all-time highs on Dow. Like, the most recent all-time highs was 47,334. We only got to 331.
Music
So
licensing
that one's probably going to go
reimagined.
higher still. Sure.
Yeah, I cut out of that trade.
Okay. Cut it. Cut it, cut it.
Artlist.io.
I was still on the 4-hour for the Dow. That's why I was like, oh my God, look at that green candle. But it was actually, the combination of all the green candles this morning.
Wow.
Still huge. Still looking good though.
All right, my price for my one set of 100 options just closed out.
Nice.
So happy.
No doubt.
Deal with that. See if I can get this next one to go. Oh shit, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
And it's out.
We do have Michigan sentiment in 10 minutes, it looks like. But I thought he was just telling us the numbers right now. That's kind of weird. I haven't opened the ASFX yet. Let's see what they're getting
Music
into.
licensing reimagined.
Oh, they got Tanner on.
Tanner's always a good time.
Yeah, he was long on one of those pullbacks. Probably that pullback that came back to UOP. What is he? He's trading RTY though. I've never once taken a trade on RTY.
Neither have I.
Artlist.io.
Did you see Christine's Instagram post about the cockroach landing on her face while she was sleeping?
Oh my God, that poor girl, man.
I am not the type of guy who is freaked out by bugs.
Yeah,
But if I was sleeping and a cockroach landed on my face,
yeah,
I might lose my shit a little bit too.
for sure. Right?
Especially considering where she's at. The cockroaches are, yay big.
They're big.
Oh
Music
yeah.
licensing
Oh, yeah.
reimagined.
Wow.
The ones
Yeah,
in
cockroaches
the
are one of those bugs that are kind of one of the more gross bugs in my mind, but I'm also not that worried about bugs. So
yeah, you're an outdoor kid. You're not freaked out by bugs and stuff.
no, I'll like carry a spider out and let it go, kind of thing.
Yeah,
Like whatever. I used to have
Same way, I do the
snakes when I
same
was a
stuff.
kid and stuff, so it's like those kinds of things don't scare me.
holy shit. All right, so had another set of options get bought back.
Yeah.
So
Music licensing
All right.
reimagined.
not a bad day today. Now I am down to only 250 contracts.
You got some work to do.
What was that?
I said you got some work to do still.
No, these ones aren't expiring until 100 of them are expiring on January 16th. Actually, yeah, January 16th. February 6th and March 20th.
Artlist.io.
Okay.
So I got a bit of time on that. But it did just free up a lot of capital for futures trading in my personal account. So
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Our stupid prime minister's talking right now, which is going to do nothing to the market. So it's like, just Just hurry up and get out of the way. Let the other government in. I don't like our current prime minister.
Oh, why not?
He's too financially invested in. He has too many conflicts of interest, in my opinion. He shouldn't be the prime minister. He owns
Gotcha.
Brookfield Asset, which is one of the largest companies in Canada, and so he's pushing his climate agenda, which he's invested in heavily. He's pushing small housing through the government, which he's heavily invested in. Like, it's like every one of his stocks that he's got in like the office has just gone up. Like, he was name dropping companies that he's invested in on like the country a couple days ago.
Yeah, it seems to be happening all over, doesn't it?
Yeah, which is supposed to be illegal.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's supposed to be illegal, but
Because he like moved his stuff into a trust. It's like all of a sudden he forgot what he's invested in, right? So he's not going to talk about those things. Yeah.
Well, I moved it into a trust, so it no longer affects me.
Yeah, and
Bullshit.
he moved the company to the U.S. So it's like, what? Whose side are you on here? Like, I get it. Like, it's better. The government red tape in Canada is horrible, right? So that's why, like, he moved his company to the U.S. because it's going to function better there.
Reimagined.
Hey, Will Trades. Randy is he's on his way home from Mexico right now, so he's not. Oh, I like that little move there on the MES.
Liking this move on MNQ too.
Popping a bit here.
So I put a set of 9 micros at 490.60 on NQ.
Yeah.
So I think I'm up like maybe $200 on that right now.
He's loving his Mai Tais.
Randy's loving his Mai Tais.
Yeah, that's what.
Of course he
said.
Reimagined.
Who doesn't love a Mai Tai?
Yeah, how can you not love Mai Tai? Oh, I don't like that we're pulling back here a bit, but I mean, it's not much, but
Nah, this is good. Moving my stop loss up now.
Artlist.io.
So no matter what, I get 7 points off of that.
oh shoot.
Okay, I got 7 points off it.
Artlist.io.
Wow, I'm glad I did that when I did.
Yeah, because I'm gonna probably get stopped here. Maybe. They really flushed that one real quick.
Yeah, if I didn't move my stop loss up, I would
Music
have,
licensing
I'd be in the
reimagined.
negative.
I'm gonna move my stop actually a little bit tighter here. I'd rather just get out of this if it goes any lower here. I don't normally move my stop up, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm out there.
Artlist.io.
I was up $50 in this account. I'm down 60. So no big damage. But I didn't like that slap.
Music
But I
licensing
can look at
reimagined.
re-entering that again if we start looking like we're gonna move higher again here. Teague's short right now. I want those orders to fill up top. Yeah, that's where I was thinking too. We had those orders at 68.35. That was kind of what I was hoping we were going to get to.
Artlist.io.
Shouldn't have stopped it out, hey? I'm back in there. We're back in.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a little bit and see if I can get a good price for entry.
Yeah. Oh shit, we got PMI. Oh, come on, go. Go. Damn it. I didn't know what to do there and I was kind of frozen. Come on, pop it up.
Music licensing reimagined.
Eat up
Oh
there.
my god. Dude, no.
Wow.
Well, we survived.
You still in it?
Yeah. It didn't go lower, but
Artlist
it's about,
IO.
looks like it wants to now. Shoot, man. Forgot about the
Surprised
news.
you didn't get edged out on that last one.
It barely missed my TP. It was up at 1 point above it. I added to it there. Actually, we're starting to look a little strong here. Come on, let's go, guys.
Wait for a little bit of a pullback.
Yeah, come on. Don't do it.
I think I'm gonna DCA this a little bit.
Artlist.io.
All right, I got 7 micros on here, long. Average
Yeah,
price is 520.
Music licensing reimagined.
No,
Artlist.
I didn't want that to happen. It's pulling back here.
Neither did I, but let's just wait a minute. Don't get too angry about it yet.
I'm in a little too big. I've got 10 contracts here.
Oh shit! All right.
Music licensing.
I added 5 more
reimagined.
as it was popping up there, and then it went lower. So.
Yeah, I think this is gonna pop back up here in a second. And whether that's really based in reality or just wishful thinking, I'm not sure.
Well, hopefully you're right, bud. I hope you're right.
Look at that, pop back up.
Morning, Trevor.
Artlist.io.
Book looks thin so far on
Artlist
ES,
IO.
NQ and ES. That's what Czar said. Yeah, that's a little thin. I was hoping that we are going to get up to 35s, but come on, boys. Let's go buyers.
Need some buyers in NQ over here.
Music licensing reimagined.
You know what?
Artlist.io.
Need to take those orders at 35 here. We're about. Oh, geez. This is not fun, Nick.
Nope. It's up. It's down. It's up. It's down.
Music licensing reimagined.
Wow.
Hey, Keith. Good morning.
Yeah, there's a little bit of volatility here, but there's no indication that it's going to be coming down for a while.
Artlist.io.
If you're nervous about this trade right now, once it pops up, take $10 profit. $10 green is better than 150 red, right?
Yes.
Artlist.io.
You're on MES, correct?
Yes.
Music licensing reimagined.
They were out partially. Stops in their break even. So I'm have profit on the day now at least. Okay, more orders out there. Okay, so I'm up $59 now. And I got 2 runners here. Gonna try to take one more off here. We got 1 runner left here.
Artlist.io.
Moving
up
my stop to just above break even.
Yeah, that's what I got left on. 1 contract left with just above break even. Gonna get stopped here, maybe. That volatility was really scary.
Reimagined.
Yeah, it'll make your butthole pucker up a little bit, won't it?
Yeah. I'm like, I don't want to end the week with like, a $300 loser.
Oh yeah, no.
Come on, buyers. Let's just keep going for once, though. I even taken off this last take profit order here. I'm gonna start managing this on the 2-minute here too. Start following up these candles on the 2s. That's too bad though. If I would have not got stopped out on that first trade. Hello, Dad. Good morning.
Huh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Might get stopped out here on my last contract. Yeah, we're out there. So I made 73, well, a little more than 73 because I'm up 73 and I was down 60.
Yeah, I got stopped out too, so I have no idea what I made, but I know it was green, so I'm
Made
happy.
something.
I'm green, I'm good.
That was kind of the first break of the range too there. So that's kind of obviously why we're going to come back in. So I guess we can be looking for sort of a VWAP trade maybe next. Pull back to the VWAP.
Can look for a VWAP trade on NQ around 438. You could do a bounce off the 21 at 472. If this continues this excessively bullish trend, I'm going to probably DCA it from 495 or so, and if it keeps pulling back, add into it at 472.
Nice. That sounds very good.
If it does make it all the way down to VWAP, then put another 2 micros on it and then just cross my fingers and tie my toes in the knot.
I'm gonna not touch my funded accounts here anymore. I got that one's up 73 in both accounts, and then I got 195. So maybe trades sitting here.
Music licensing
Bring up
reimagined.
MNQ.
Market wizard, Mr. Trump.
Who's market? What's that?
Oh, Czar. You know what make my day today? A tweet by the market wizard, Mr. Trump.
Yeah. Depends on what he says. Oh, you're looking for a short then, Czar? Because every time he says something, it goes down.
China bad. They will pay all the tariffs. American consumers won't pick up any of that cost.
Yeah.
Derp.
It's not.
Music licensing reimagined.
Can we get a little pullback here?
Maybe.
Oh my god. I don't know how I can even see through these things. They're filthy.
I got one of those like microfiber cloths.
Artlist.io.
What happened there?
Yeah, that's what I always used to use. But being down here now, everything is everything is just so incredibly moist that
Oh,
your glasses cleaning
Artlist.io.
cloths get nasty.
oh yeah.
And, I'm a greasy Italian bastard, so I got that going for me.
Coffee time. I'm getting a little bit of that pullback here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, let's put...
ES is actually looking a little bit stronger than NQ even right now. Because
Really?
we're sitting on the top of the range right now on ES.
Wish you would have said that a few minutes ago before I put in this long on NQ.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that you're in that.
I just now put it in. At 90 micros.
90?
Yeah.
You crazy. I mean,
Oh no, I'm sorry, that's across 18 accounts. That's
Music
not on a
licensing
single account.
reimagined.
yeah.
That would be insane.
I figured that had to be because I don't think any prop accounts will let you do 100 100 micros in a single account.
I don't think I could even afford that on my personal account. What would the
That would be
market
crazy.
requirements be?
Artlist.io.
What is it? Per micro, you need like what, $2,600?
Well, NQ's looking better than current. Now it's looking better than ES. ES
Yeah, I
is
just
back. NQ's out of the range.
Yep, just close it out.
Nice. Good trade.
Artlist.io.
All right. Across all of them, I mean, I close it out with just $140 in profit. So,
Nice.
but that's across 18 accounts, I'm okay with
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, of course. No, that's perfect.
Music licensing reimagined.
So because interesting. That's interesting. Well, let me see here. The opening range on the Lux algo shows a couple different.
You say the
Oh.
opening range on Lux Algo isn't showing up?
Well, no, it looks different. It actually marks it at the end of the 45 candle. I've been always marking it at the end or the 44 candle. 644 or 944. I always mark it at 945.
Yeah, that's what I do. Is the the end of the 945 candle.
Yeah, so Lux Algo did it at the end of the 944 candle.
I think you can adjust those settings.
Because yeah, so that's why I looked over and I was like, oh, well, actually NQ's above the opening range, but then the opening range I drew on my on the chart in front of me, it's not out of the top of the range. Because I drew it to the top of the end of the 45-minute candle.
All right.
Yeah,
On that note, I'm gonna go grab some coffee and clean my glasses.
Nice, good
I
idea.
can stop squinting at you.
All right.
I'll mute my mic this time so you don't hear any weird shit going on in the background.
Let's take a look at the NQ's book here. What do we got for orders? We do have these orders here up at 25,550, guys, which is basically the top of the range here. You think they're going to pull off some sell-offs on Friday? I wonder.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm going to take a quick look at gold here too. See, gold's super bullish right now, guys. Look at that thing. It's just ripping.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh shoot, I missed the... Everybody who's in the chat there, we did start a Discord now. So if you want to kind of get into our free Discord community, the first 15 people that join and puts anything in, like we have a little badge of honor channel inside there. So like if you were to go join and put your anything into the badge of honor channel, just say what's up or anything, we'll give you OG status. You get like a yellow tag by your name, kind of like a gold star for being the first 15 people only get it. So it's kind of going to be a pretty rare status. I think we've given out maybe 7 so far. So we're about halfway. 6 so far. You guys can see the Discord there on the bottom of the screen. I'll just, I think I can just put it in here again one more time. Might be a little easier for you guys to access it from the chat if you want to join. It's called the Mindset Hub.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, Trevor. We started it for basically what we call the group of people that we stream with, kind of like the stream gang. So we started that basically to just have a place to like hang out, and it's kind of like sort of like coaching related. We're not selling coaching, but we got like a little channel where you can ask questions, or like for like psychological or technical coaching questions and stuff. So just a free community, And yeah, we started that. It's called the
Artlist.io.
Trading Mindset Hub. That's the link over there. I think I sent you a direct with the link.
Music licensing.
Sorry, I forgot I was muted.
reimagined.
You set that up so everything is just free, right?
Oh yeah, it's all free. Oh, and I just saw your post in the Milestones Badge of Honor. Oh shit, I better step up my game.
Yeah, I mean,
Artlist.io.
if you want me to coach people, I need to step up my game a little bit here.
Yeah, it's just kind of like if anyone has questions and then anyone wants to chime in for now, like
Yeah, if you want me to coach
maybe
you,
as
it's
a- as
absolutely
a-
free.
yeah.
Yeah, if you want me to coach you, it's absolutely free. I will not take responsibility for your losses, but I will take 1% of your profits.
Yeah, yeah, you gotta sign up. You gotta agree to give me 1% of your profit. It's
I have
free.
the
It's,
contract
everything's
written up
free
and everything.
except for your profits. Nice.
It's a great business model. Risk nothing with an unlimited upside.
Yeah. Yeah, so check out that badge of honor there, Trevor. If you say what's up in that channel, you can get an OG yellow tag by your name.
Artlist.io.
So yeah, so we got a total of 7 people that have joined the Discord so far. Oh, I haven't done my Trader's Mindset of the Day post yet. So yesterday I put, detach from the outcome. A single trade does not define your skill.
Music
Your process does.
licensing
Focus on
reimagined.
executing your plan, not the profit and loss. When you detach emotionally from your wins and losses, you start trading the chart instead of your ego. Master your reactions and the results will follow.
Artlist.io.
Pulling back here. Oh, we're right at the New Year view up right now. Let's see if we can find some support here.
Wait for that bounce or breakthrough.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't get overexcited now, Dave.
Yeah, I know. I got burned last time I jumped in along on, on this.
That's why I said that.
Yeah.
I'm not bagging on you. I'm just, it's a friendly reminder. Don't get
No, for
overexcited.
sure. No, I appreciate it. That's like telling Randy, don't take the first trade out of the top of the range, right?
Exactly.
Artlist.io.
Oh, I think we got a comment from Trevor. There we go. Nice. All right, let's go. Add roll. OD.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, so I'm thinking to also add some like payout, like if you get to 10K 20K payouts or something, then you can kind of get like a new badge, that kind of idea.
Music licensing
All right.
Just
reimagined.
gamify the Discord a little bit. Nice bounce there off the VWAP.
I'm going to wait for the second one. See if it retests it.
See if it comes back down and retest it. Yeah.
Day has just started, so
Lots of time still. Gold's looking really strong, hey? It
Artlist.io.
haven't even looked at it today.
since the CPI candle, it popped up and then it kind of hung out there for a bit, and then it popped up again and hung out there for a bit. Now it popped up again. So it's been on a move from 40.75 up to 41. So 75 point run
Music licensing
since
reimagined.
CPI. Nick and Randy's OG comments are awesome. Yeah.
Old
Yeah,
guy.
Randy was the first one to join the Discord, but he never went through the channels, so he didn't know that there's the badge of honor. And yeah, old guy. Yeah, good call on that, not taking that first trade hit, because we're right back at VWAP there, bouncing again a little bit.
Wait for it.
Wait for this candle to close, so.
Wait for it.
Artlist.io.
The only bad thing is, you know, we're trying to do this all-time high thing, but it's Friday. So
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
quite often Fridays end up being sell-offs, right?
Well, usually, yeah, Friday is usually a sell-off. Monday is usually your bounce higher.
Yeah.
I rarely ever get to close out options on a Friday.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Unless it's like
looking
right
like,
out of hell.
yeah, it's looking like I'm going to be able to close out almost everything today.
Artlist.io.
Nice.
And in these current market conditions, I am actually thinking I'm going to be in a cash position at the end of every day.
Yeah, you were saying that yesterday.
Yeah, I'm,
Music licensing reimagined.
Excuse me.
breakthrough VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see where this is going to go.
Artlist.io.
Austin just said he put on a news VWAP, so that might not be a bad idea just to see. I usually make my news VWAPs
Artlist.io.
gold color. And we found support on the news VWAP actually. On this last candle, like the bottom of that wick touches the news candle or the news anchored VWAP. But if we end up closing below that,
Music
I can definitely see us
licensing
going down
reimagined.
to the start of the day VWAP, which is down at 25,479.
Artlist.io.
Austin's in a trade still. It looks he's down about 300 on that. He's in pretty heavy.
Music
be.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, today is if you can read it right today is a day to put some size on.
Yeah. He's in 68.32 on ES long, so he's kind of sort of near the top of the range there. Nice candle off that news VWAP on NQ there.
Nice bounce off of New York VWAP too.
News in New
Artlist.io.
York.
On
yeah.
NQ at 502.60.
But I don't know if you can see my chart, but
No, I don't have the screen up. Hold on one second.
yeah, it's all good.
All right, I got it now.
I did put a little trend line there, and it's exactly where we rejected on. You see that one?
Artlist.io.
Mm-hmm.
Or is it underneath the live? take off that banner for now. A little easier to see. Yeah, I almost took a short there on the rejection of that,
Music
and
licensing
that would have been a nice
reimagined.
trade. 12 down to 01.
I have never drawn a trend line on my chart.
No.
Use a little pencil thing on the side, right?
On the second one, the second tab down from the top, I think.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second.
Artlist.io.
Oof. There we go. That's the trade that I was thinking we could have taken there, was a break of
Reimagined.
the news candle down to the overnight view up, but that just went way too fast. Couldn't really get in there anyways.
Artlist.io.
Wow, that would have been a beautiful trade actually if I would have taken that short. Probably would have closed it already. See the power of those trend lines though?
I mean, I get it.
Artlist.io.
It's like, it's more like a channel, I guess. I don't know if this is really, I mean, it's a short-term trend line, right? But they work, man. They're not like they're a little they're discretionary, right? So you do have to be careful.
Music licensing reimagined.
Like
As with everything in this profession.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. But it does kind of like, as they work, right? Like that's why normally I'm waiting for the breakout of the trend before I'll take the trade. So, or if it's really just stuck in that like zone.
I have so much to learn from you, Dave.
Artlist.io.
Christine flying back today as well?
No, I think she's there for longer, isn't she? I don't know, actually. You might know better.
Music licensing
She's still in the Black Shirt Club, isn't she?
Yeah,
Nice.
I believe so.
Yeah, I'm a little bit sad because I sent her and Thomas an invite to Discord and neither of them joined.
They're a little bit busy.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
They're in the stream gang though. So we held the overnight pretty nicely there. Plus, we had those other lows from earlier. Not really lows, but the pullback from earlier. Bounced off the overnight view up. We kind of held sort of that area. So could still be looking for a long here if we break that trend line area that I was looking at.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's get some other music on. Oh, I missed some comments here. Gold gave some great plays with anchored view up on CPI candle. Managed one runner 40.93 before open and caught a second long at 41.20 view up retest. Nice, Czar. Czar's on fire.
Great trade. Yeah,
We need
Czar's
to-
been killing it.
We need to get like what's it called? Where they call out the trades.
Artlist.io.
Signals. We need signals from Czar.
Yeah, right.
And hey, Jose, good morning. Did you change your name a bit? It says at Jose Kalunga 6634, but
Music
It's
licensing
somebody
know.
reimagined.
It's somebody impersonating Jose. Kick him off.
Well, it's the same image. Hey Jose, I don't know if you're interested, but we have a Discord channel now, so I'll put that in the chat right there for you. But you should definitely hop in there. You can get some OG status if you go into the it's called the Milestones Badge of Honor channel, and just say what's up
Artlist.io.
in there, and then we can give you a special color beside your name for the OG status, old guy status, as Nick would say. OG, what is this, old guy?
Artlist.io.
I resemble that comment. All right, we had a little bit of action right after the open,
Music licensing reimagined.
and now we got to be patient again.
Yeah, seems like it. I have they have some maintenance thing going on today in my apartment here. They're going around to vacuum all the dryer vents, so I think that starts at 9 a.m.
Yeah, I was just informed the housekeeper showing up here at 9:30, and I got to go see a realtor at noon.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, NQ is below VWAP. It's looking like it's pretty bearish right now.
Artlist.io.
Not a whole lot going on right now.
No, let's be patient and check our email or do something. I don't know.
Artlist.io.
I got gold on a little side chart open too, just eyeballing that.
Yeah, I just closed it.
I'm pretty tired today. I only got about 4 hours sleep last night after the hockey game.
Artlist.io.
So Austin's finished up. I don't know. I don't know if he ended up closing that trade. Maybe, hey, because that did pull back pretty hard. I wonder. We'll find out later, tomorrow, Monday.
Music licensing reimagined.
See who else is live right now.
Artlist.io.
Oh, we got Zach Boyajian's live. I always like to watch him. He's got a complete different style of trading than I do. So I don't really get like any, I usually don't, I just don't trade like him. So
Artlist.io.
he likes to go short or long, bouncing off orders on Bookmap, which works, but So we did kind of take that trend line there. So if we can actually break up above that recent high candle, we could think about doing a long right here. There we go. I'm long.
Yeah, I'm looking at longs on NQ right now.
Me too.
Came back up above New York VWAP.
Kind of using so we can get a little bit of a move on this guy. I'm only in with 1 micro so far. I'm trading my 5 Lucid accounts, so I keeping the size really small so I don't lose too much or win too much. Slow and steady on these guys.
God, I hate that. I feel bad closing out a winning trade. Like, but it's going in my direction this time.
Yeah.
Why are you making me close this?
Artlist.io.
Ooh. Is giving away, Zach Bajajan's giving a 50K straight to funded account when they get to 75 likes. You should definitely join that if you can get a free Top 1 Futures 50K account. That's like a $500 account, man. Whew.
Join it.
That's crazy.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
All right, I got my market buy on gold.
Music licensing
In your cash account?
Yeah. I don't trade gold in prop accounts.
Yeah, that's what you're saying.
I don't feel like losing all my prop accounts. The rules just aren't conducive to my trading gold well in prop.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Fair enough. Get a nice move on this long that I'm in right now. Currently up about 16 points on 1 micro. Wishing I went heavier now.
Artlist.io.
We got another little trend line
Points,
here. We're just
16 points.
Could think about adding one more here if we get a nice closure on this candle here. We got 30 seconds left.
And I'm out of that trade.
Beautiful.
Reimagined.
Whew.
I'm not ready to let that one go just yet. I mean, it is $33 already on 1 micro.
Yeah, that's a good trade.
Wishing I had 10 right now. $330.
Yeah, I mean, but if wishes were fishes, we'd all. Sorry.
Yeah. If wishes were fishes, we'd all have a freezer full.
Speaking of which, did you manage to get any salmon?
Yeah, I got 5 salmon in the freezer right now.
Music
This time of year, is it
licensing
sockeye?
reimagined.
Sockeye was a little bit earlier. It was Coho,
All right.
which is kind of like the second best salmon. It's like the other one that's like as red as the sockeye. When you start getting into like the spring salmon or the pink salmon, those ones are
Artlist.io.
those ones are more of a whitish meat. I did take out my take profit order on this trade. I'm gonna start trailing this on the 2 minutes candles.
Artlist.io.
If we do end up breaking below that trend line that I had, I will think about cutting it a little bit early though to capture a little more profit, because if we break that, we might end up coming all the way back to my entry. Don't want that. Uh-oh.
Music licensing.
Doing what I was just talking about. Found support though. That's good. Should probably add. But I'll just let this one go here. No need to add any risk. Hey, we got a good candle there. Held that.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh. I'm getting stopped out now. Yeah, I'm out. I only made $9 on that. That sucks.
Yeah, but that's $9 you didn't have 10 minutes ago.
Yeah. Should have taken the 30.
Reimagine.
I was thinking about it.
You think about it this way. If you, every 10 minutes you make $9. It's $54 an hour.
Times 5, too.
Times 5. So,
It's copy traded 5 here. Good thing I didn't add there. I was like, oh, we held it. Should add. And then I'm like, no, let's just hold off here.
Artlist.io.
I wanted to re-enter there, but after that big bearish candle like that, it's pretty hard to go right back into a buy.
Artlist.io.
So I got a new twig for the hockey game yesterday.
I'm sorry, you got a new what for the hockey game?
Reimagine.
Twig.
Twig?
Yeah, that's what we call hockey sticks.
Alright.
It's like a twig.
Okay.
But yeah, 2 games ago, there was a defenseman taking a slap shot from the point, and I was rushing out there, and I threw my stick in the way, and his shot like literally snapped my stick in half.
Oh.
So, and they're not cheap, you know, these new freaking carbon fiber. I think I paid almost $200 for that one, and it just literally just snapped right in half, like on the bottom third of the stick. So I was like, Then I ended up picking up a new stick yesterday. So.
Yeah, hockey's an expensive sport to play.
Oh yeah.
Licensing.
The good thing is, you know, like I'm not growing anymore, so like I haven't had to change a lot of my gear for many years, right? But some things just wear out. Like occasionally, you know, every few years you kind of got to buy a new set of gloves because the palms wear out, and you know,
Yeah.
my skate blades are getting so thin now from being sharpened so many times that
Artlist.io.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, the blades are getting so thin, and my skates are pretty old, so then they don't even make that skate blade anymore. Because normally you can just buy a new skate blade and pop it in there. But
Artlist.io.
You should have stuck with boxing.
so he
Gloves
is
aren't
about
that
to do that draw if you want to get in there, and Zach Boyagin's he's gonna post it here.
Where is it?
It's a Real
Music
Deal Futures.
licensing reimagined.
It's on the website, YouTube.
YouTube, sorry. Why can't they give me some free accounts to give out? It's because I don't have anyone buying any accounts. Like Randy was the only one who bought accounts on Top One Future through mine, and then I've made sales only on Lucid. So
Music licensing reimagined.
There, I just subscribed to Zach's channel.
nice. There we go. The form's in the chat right now, so you just click that link. Then you can just fill out your name and stuff. So.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
There we go. I filled it out. And we're pulling back pretty hard here, so definitely good thing that I did stop out where I did, because I would have been down 12 plus 5, 17 points. Well, I wish you luck, sir. Hopefully one of us wins this nice 50K account. That'd be sweet.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Certified Killers. Brian C. He was just talking about somebody that's in his Discord that's like a really good trader.
Artlist.io.
And he actually posts a lot of trade ideas in Discord. Ooh, look at that sellout, man. Wow. Heading back down to the overnight VWAP potentially here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gold's fallen right now. A bit. Pulled back from 47 to 28.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hmm. What the heck happened there?
Patience. That's all I can say.
No, I mean, I had some like markup thing on my screen.
Oh, it just disappeared on you?
Well, it was like something that I didn't remember putting there or anything. So I don't know why it was there, but it was huge. It was like taking up the whole part of my screen.
So that quant view stuff that I'm testing right now,
Yeah.
I just opened it up and I was looking at the wave on it and the quant sell line.
Yeah.
And it did it again. It hit exactly, well, almost exactly. It was 5 points over the quant sell line, dropped down below that by 30 points, and it's still moving down now, and the wave is opening up. So I definitely need to talk to Mike from Traders Post about doing an automation thing with this.
Yeah. That'd be sweet.
I know I have a on Traders Post. I know it comes with a not only with your prop accounts and your live accounts, but you also get a paper account with them.
Okay.
So I want to get it hooked up to that for about a week, and then go from there and just
see what happens.
Continue with it. Maybe hook like 2 cheapo prop accounts, like Apex accounts, to it or something.
Yeah. And try to get some accounts. That would be crazy if you could start passing those and then either add those to your you know, your bunches of trades or your groups or whatever.
Yeah, I've got because I blew those accounts last week after the payout on them. I have to get another 14 accounts to hit my max number of accounts with them.
Yeah.
So if I can pass 14 accounts on an automation or an automated strategy, that would be ideal.
Yeah.
Then I can just trade them the way I normally would a personal account.
Yeah, that'd be good. I was just thinking, like, the way that we're looking now, I'm wondering if they're gonna go retest the low sort of this news candle.
MNQ just bounced off the 65.
Is that the 65 EMA?
Yeah. Everything is still lined up top to bottom, 9, 21, 65. The only thing that's above where it should be for a long is the VWAP is above the 65. It should be below it.
Okay.
So that's, I'm still looking at longs here.
I'm trying to take a look at your EMA right now. Right on it. Is going to get the ducks ready for that race. I'd love to do some giveaways here.
Well, if I could become affiliated with any prop firm, I would do that.
It's easy. You just gotta submit. And now that you have like a YouTube and X and everything, you just gotta link that to them and then just show that you're active on there, and then.
I mean, I probably have like 3 followers on YouTube and maybe like 10 on X. So I'm pretty sure they're not going to be at all interested in my dumbass going, "Ooh."
Well, it's not like that, right? They're looking for more people, and like you could be someone who's going to be a lot bigger in like 6 months or a year, right? So that's how they look at it. I think the more people that they can get promoting, the better.
Artlist.io.
8 a.m. Got a lot of ducks today.
A lot of, are you still on Zach's YouTube thing?
Yeah, I got it on a side screen. I'll let you know if you win, because you're gonna have to say something in chat or in the Discord. Do you have his Discord?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I signed up. I just signed up for it. I like his trading. I mean, he doesn't trade, and we don't trade the same way or anything, but I do appreciate watching people who are good at what they do.
Yeah.
Do what they're good at.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, he's speaking at the Futures boot camp. Look at that.
Artlist.io.
3-minute race.
Good Lord. I don't have time for that shit. I'm out.
I'm willing to wait 3 minutes for a $500 US dollar account, potentially. Excuse me. I got to keep collecting my free Bitcoin.
Your free Bitcoin? What are you talking about?
Yeah, there's a Bitcoin app that I use to where I buy a platform called Newton to buy and sell crypto. And they have a little side game where you activate this little thingy, and you just gotta once every 10 hours just hit the button to refresh it, and it runs for 10 hours, and then you slowly collect coins, and then you get they pay you in sats, which is satoshis, which is Bitcoin. So I've been collecting. This is the 3rd season it's been running now. So okay, Keith said that's what I'm talking about. My day minus 1600 to minus 300 to minus 1500 to minus 70 locked out. Wow, that's quite
What the fuck? Keith, what happened? Are you okay?
Hey Dave, do you Canadian guys speak French to each other? No.
Only when they're making love.
Yeah. No, you gotta go to the East Coast to see anybody really talking about speaking French, right? I'm on the West Coast, and while we do learn French in elementary school, at grade 6 you have the option of changing languages. So I know a little bit of French, but I'm more of a Spanish, and I know some Mandarin, but not French. Well, a little bit of French. French and Spanish are pretty similar.
All those Latin-based languages are, if you know one, you can understand the rest of them.
Yeah.
I understand Spanish. Can't speak it for shit, but I understand it.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Okay, what was your YouTube name? I think I don't know which names they picked to put it on there. I'm trying to see if I can see your name anywhere. I don't see either of us out in the front, so that's good. The one in the front always lose.
Music licensing reimagined.
You be Mustang. Oh, I see you, Mustang Trader. Yeah, I see you there. kind of middle of the pack right now. I haven't seen. Oh, I see Trevor's name. I see Trevor. I think, did Trevor win? Or he almost won second place or something before?
Artlist.io.
You do realize if I win a 50K funded account,
Yeah.
Austin is going to punch me in the neck.
Why?
Artlist.io.
When he was doing a giveaway on his live stream one day,
Yeah.
I said, "Oh, I'm going to sign up for that right away," and he's like, "You can't sign up for it. You have too many accounts as it is. You get out of here."
Like, come on, you're still a viewer. You should have the same rights as everybody else.
Ah, he was busting my balls. That's all.
I know. Yeah. Oh yeah. Trevor got second place earlier in the week. Here we go. 18 seconds. Final stretch. Who's gonna win? We got Cook Smith. Oh, Marky Butcher in the bottom. Oh yeah. Come on. Let's go.
Come on, Butcher.
Come on. 6 seconds. There's still a chance. Oh, RT Art's coming in. RT Art won. BT Art.
Artlist.io.
That's hilarious.
I gotta reach out to Zach and try to get on his stream one of these days. That'd be fun.
Yeah, I like watching his trades. He's a great trader.
Reimagined.
Like I said, I don't trade the same way he does, but it's good stuff to watch.
BT Art won before too. It said he's like, I won before. Yes.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start focusing more on my personal accounts.
Oh, Nick got third in that race. You got third place in that race.
Did I really?
I'm gonna actually. I want to go back and see the finish. Where is it? Because you're kind of on the top there. Oh yeah, I see you. You're pushing up there. Oh, this is too far back though. 50.
Artlist.io.
Okay, I'm at 24 seconds here. Let's see.
I don't even.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, dude, Nick, you were so close. You're so close.
That's hilarious.
Like maybe fourth, but yeah, you're really close. Like you're just your duck was just like catching up to everybody, but needed another like 7 or 8 seconds.
Artlist.io.
How much are the boot camp tickets? Do you know?
800, 900, something like that.
Oh, damn.
I will be right back.
I want to go so bad, but
Licensing reimagined.
don't really have that extra cash to be putting out right now. Yeah, it was like maybe fifth, but he was pretty close, right, Trevor? Wonder what gold's gonna do here. Kind of looks like it wants to break out higher.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, maybe we aren't going to get any more trades today, guys. Oh, breaking out a bit here on NQ right now. Heading back up towards the high, or at least up towards that news candle VWAP. Hopefully the bulls are still here. NQ just bought the dip. Nice. Okay, Czar. Good. Oh, I mean, perfect timing. Because we just bounced there nicely, breaking out. That was 8:08. That's 2 minutes ago. Nice.
Licensing reimagined.
Hopefully we can take those 2 VWAPs there. Ugh. Yawning away here, guys. Yawning away. I don't know why, but every time a stream ends, it always goes to trading psychology from what's his name? The best loser wins guy. It always goes to this one video, like keeps playing it over and over for me. Let's see who else is live this morning. Oh, we got Zach Boyajian or Zach Arbucci's live still.
I think Arbucci's the hardest working man in show business.
Right? I don't know how many freaking prop jobs that he has. He looks like he's short right now.
That's where I would be.
Took a short on this bounce here. Zara bought the dip. He was up nicely there. He bought it at around 8:08.
I'm looking at NQ.
Yeah, me too.
And seriously considering getting into a short again.
Mm-hmm. Since we've been holding below the VWAP there.
Holding below the VWAP, everything's
but Czar's
a
long.
Little bit of it.
So
on NQ?
Yeah. Hope the bulls are still here. NQ just bought the dip. That was at 8:08. He said that. So right before it broke out, I guess he bought that.
Artlist.io.
Well, it is above VWAP.
It is above VWAP?
New York, yeah.
Mine shows different. What time frame are you on?
I'm on a 5 minute.
Yeah, because I got mine shows. Am I anchored at the wrong spot? Mine shows that we're down below it still.
Really?
On my trading view and on my Lucid account here.
Let me reset mine here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Like we're right at the news candle anchor VWAP. And we're about to touch the New York right now. And we're taking the New York a little bit. Rejected.
Artlist.io.
I switched charts. Yeah, it's below the New York. What the shit is going on with this?
Zara got in at 25,450. Okay, so you even got in earlier than you said in the chat. Oh wow, way down there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's a killer
That's
trade.
a hell of a trade.
You really bought the dip, no doubt. I mean, I like that freaking wick that you got in on. I saw that happening too. I was like, shit, this is a good place for a long.
I didn't. Missed it completely.
Zach looks a little tired this morning. I think it sounds like he took a loss or two already in this account, because he was just saying, "Oh, if I cut this one, I can't take any more trades in these accounts today." So we got 7 seconds on this 5-minute candle. We're closing above the New York here. So let's see if we can't get like a little bit of a retest. Then we can think about.
All right, I just put in my NQ long.
Music licensing reimagined.
Me too. Let's see if we can. We got that trend line up above here. Hopefully we can break it this time and make a little move higher. Or are we just going to be stuck in the range?
Artlist.io.
Zach cut his trade there. He was he took a short on a fair value gap, but everything's looking so strong right now. So he's like, no, I'm out. Wow, Dow's looking strong. Dow's breaking out nicely. It's leading the pack right now. Was holding the top of the range above the opening range, and then just broke out at the same time of this.
Artlist.io.
All right, I added to my NQ long. I got 72 micros going right now.
Artlist.io.
And I'm out.
Yeah, Zach doesn't look too happy right now.
Music licensing.
I mean, it's, losing trades suck. It doesn't matter how experienced or how long you've been doing it, right?
It could still be a kick in the teeth.
Yeah.
Even if you're up on the day, and I've had this happen where I was up on the day really well, taking a second or a third trade, and it went against me and ate up half my profits, and then you're just like, oh, I should have stopped.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
That wasn't nearly as fun as I thought it would be.
Yeah, I thought I was going to add more to it. I'll take it away.
You can be a bear, you can be a bull, but don't be a pig.
Oh, bit of a rejection there on the NQ.
Music
On that trend line.
Reimagined.
Minute 50 left on this candle though, so lots of time still here. I did add there. I'm in 2 contracts now on this trade. Move my stop up a little bit to account for that extra contract.
Artlist.io.
Is Quant telling you that it's
Artlist.
It is telling me,
to sell?
nope,
Okay.
actually at a buy line right now, and everything crossed over from a sell to a buy.
Okay.
That is not advice. I am really new to this.
Yeah. Volume's kind of slowed down here quite a bit.
About that time.
Yeah, it is about that time.
Artlist.io.
All right.
Your candle there.
I am in another long on NQ.
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, you got stopped out of that other one?
No, I closed it out.
Oh, okay.
I just switched baskets.
Mm-hmm.
Artlist.io.
So we did just sort of take that the high of that last wick on the 5-minute there. I'm gonna add one here.
I just added 4.
Artlist.io.
More. Come on, boner candle here.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna put my I got a TP right at the top of the range there, so if we do get like a quick rip up there, currently up $50 in
Music
this.
licensing reimagined.
Oh, could it
Come
go?
on,
Could it
boys.
go?
Let's
Go,
go.
go, go, go.
Actually, I'm gonna
Bouncing in my
take.
seat a little bit here.
I took one off there. That little push.
I think I'm gonna hold this for a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this.
I just always got to pay myself. I just can't get away from that.
Music
So
licensing reimagined.
Well,
Uh,
as of right now, I'm playing with house money because
Oh,
on
yeah.
on this basket, I already took a 1 win.
yeah,
So my stop loss that I have set will still have me up about $100.
nice. That's great. I got another order there sitting at
Artlist.io.
25,539. And then if I hit that one, I'll be going break even on the balance.
Artlist.io.
Come on, Bulls, let's go.
I don't think I'm getting out of this trade.
No?
Like, I want to, but at the same time, there's nothing telling me that I need to.
Yeah. It's like, it's hard to not just take the
Music
profits, right?
licensing reimagined.
Uh-huh. I'm getting better at it. It's turned against me a couple times recently, but I am starting to get a little bit better at it.
Yeah, especially if you got a bit of a buffer, right?
Yeah, the buffer is what really helps me as far as like my nervousness is concerned.
Mm-hmm.
So where I was thinking about taking profit, I
Artlist.io.
just officially doubled it from that
There we go.
point.
I took that one more off there, so I'm only one contract left, break even. So let's let it run. Close. I'm up $93 in all 5 of these listed accounts now, so I'm pretty happy with that.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Geez, Czar, man. Czar. What the heck, man? 450 up to 540. You're up 100, almost 100 points
Damn.
from that entry.
That is a beautiful trade.
Oh my god. Zara, you're the man. Make sure you
I'm
join
happy
the-
with my
Artlist
30
IO.
points.
Yeah.
20 points, excuse me. Not even 30. I'm happy with my 20 points here. And
I'm only up 17 and a bit, but this is because I added these ones a little bit higher. So that's like I have the one contract left.
Artlist.io.
Zara, make sure you join the Discord, please, so we can give you the payout captain
yeah, right.
role or whatever badge of honor
Oh shit.
for the 100-point NQ long.
Tell me you're still on this trade, Czar. You're gonna get a little pullback.
Proper match is
That was
pretty
short-lived.
What's that?
That little pullback, that was short-lived and started going back up again.
Yeah. Yeah, worst case scenario, I'm going to get stopped out 3.75 points in profit on this trade. So actually make that, I moved it up a little bit, 4.5 points on my last contract. It'll put me a little over $100 at least in all these accounts. So that's good. Good trading with you, Nick. Good trading with you.
I'm telling you,
Artlist
it's good to have people around you,
For sure.
especially people like Czar. Damn.
Yeah, if only he told us earlier. Took
I know,
partial
right?
top of the 15-minute opening range, holding 40% at break even. Nice.
Artlist.io.
40% at break even down at 24. Excuse me, 20, 25, 450.
Come on, Randy, talk dirty to this candle for me.
Music licensing reimagined.
Telepathically. You can hear that.
Oh, he's on a plane now. It's gonna have to be a hell of a boner candle to reach him now.
Oh, I guess I missed shoot.
Artlist.io.
Missed a giveaway.
What giveaway?
Zach Bajan or Zach Arbucci's giving away. Oh, they're giving away some King Line merchandise. I don't know what that is, but oh, geez, I almost got stopped out there. I was looking away by like 31 to 28 by about 3 points. Actually, gonna move my stop up sort of the bottom of that candle. I might get stopped out here, but
All right, I'm out.
there, me too. $105 in fives accounts. Nice.
Artlist.io.
I'm not sure. Let me take a look.
So I got this.
225.
How much?
225 and 15 accounts.
Very nice. Very nice.
14 accounts.
Artlist.io.
Sweet. Gonna go grab breakfast. Have a good weekend, everyone. All right, Trevor. You too.
Trevor, enjoy your weekend.
Thanks for joining the Discord.
Music licensing reimagined.
Czar took a partial. Top of the 15-minute opening rate. All right.
Holding 40% break even at 25,450.
That's incredible.
Yeah. really gotta trust those. Look at if you look back at the
Artlist.io.
6:30 candle, we had that wick, huge wick on the bottom side. So like, it just shows that the buyers are there, right? So that kind of gives him the conviction to take that long. I mean, that's what I was looking at too. But just how heavy the previous candle of the,
Music
like
licensing
the middle
reimagined.
candle of the push down, that thing was massive, man. That one scared me a bit because it was like 25,514 all the way down to 24,460. So 40, 55 points.
I think I got out of it 2 candles previous to that one.
Yeah.
And that was pure luck.
Artlist.io.
What's gold doing? Still just kind of going sideways up here
Artlist.io.
at this area. I guess we were up there on the 23rd. So that was yesterday. Yesterday we, opened up and then we went higher and then we came lower on
Music
gold.
licensing
We're kind of
reimagined.
sort of a little bit above yesterday's high there, or the move that we got higher anyways. The opening price anyway, sorry.
All right, I'm gonna check my P&L for the day.
Ooh, this is gonna be a good one today. I didn't hear you say oof at all. So usually when you don't say oof, it's a good day.
You're starting to know me a little bit too well.
Yeah, I can tell when you're like, all right, that means you got into a trade, and when you go oof, it's like, oh, it's going against you.
Yeah. Yeah, you're definitely starting to know me a little bit too well.
Reimagined.
I definitely grunt and make too many stupid noises while I'm trading. So, personal account. $15,448.
Nice,
That's in my one personal.
sweet, that's awesome.
Pull up. Oh, fuck yeah. 38,700 and change.
Wow, killer.
Damn. This is the best Friday I've had in a little while.
Yeah, well, I guess CPI has
Artlist.io.
definitely helped us get into that bullish mindset, right? I mean, I wouldn't doubt that we're probably going to get a sell-off a little bit later at some point, right?
I mean,
Not guaranteed, but
every time I think that, it doesn't happen.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
that's true.
Oh, that 9,000 of that was in my personal account, was closing out options.
Nice. Well, it is what it is.
Oh, yeah,
Artlist.io.
I don't care how it gets in there.
Yeah, of course. That's some good trades, though. So were those covered calls or something?
Credit spreads.
Credit spreads.
Music licensing.
A couple of months back, I
reimagined.
did some in the money credit spreads on CoreWeave and NVIDIA. The NVIDIA ones worked out pretty well. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
So Zach was on before CPI this morning. That's why he's looking tired, I think.
Oh, okay.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, like I went back to the start of the stream and he's like, oh, 3 minutes to CPI. Like, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I've been awake since 3 in the morning. You didn't get to sleep until 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
Ooh, a little slap there. Look at that pullback right down to that trend line.
A little pullback on NQ.
Yeah.
Check and see.
31 to 15 points.
Gold's been on a tear today.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's up, consolidate, up, consolidate. So I do have a trend line here, another trend line from yesterday's high. It's got 2 touch points, and then now we've been kind of like we broke above it, and we've been holding it slightly for a bit. So I'm looking potentially for a long on gold here. If we can start looking like we're going to move a little higher, because we've been holding this level for some time now.
Are you looking for a long around like 41.35?
No, I'm looking for a long sort of like if we start breaking out. So maybe close to 50, 41.50 area.
Artlist.io.
I'm just watching Zach's reaction of the yeah. Here, I should play this in the chat. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see this, but watch Zach's face here when
Music
when it goes off here.
reimagined.
Here we go. Okay, so wick down really hard right out the gate, that CPI candle, and then just, you see him? His eyes got so big.
Artlist.io.
Man, I hope he was in a long when that happened.
He doesn't trade it though. He said he didn't trade it, but maybe he did trade it in a different account that he didn't show anybody. But because you look really happy there.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
But that was a huge pop from like 375 to 500.
Yeah, that was a ridiculous pop.
375 all the way to 515 now, 520. Jesus. Wow.
That shit's wild.
Yeah. Dreams are
All right.
made and broken right there.
Artlist.io.
Are you gonna wrap it
It
up?
is now 11:38. It's lunchtime in Chicago.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get off this here.
That sounds
On
good.
that gold chart, that second touch point.
Oh, on that gold chart, the second touch point had an anchored VWAP on it earlier during long gave a crazy short this morning. Oh, nice. Before market, I guess.
Making money hand over fist today.
Oh, it's just like every day.
Yeah,
like
I mean, Czar's actually an AI robot. It's not from the
Yeah.
future.
Zach Arbucci's giving away a Blue Guardian account. We got to go into prop firm match and put in Blue Guardian into the chat. Another 4 years of grinding, brother. That's how long you're planning to continue grind, or you've been grinding for that long?
Artlist.io.
Or that's your plan, is to grind 4 more years and then enjoy some life?
And then retire and live like a king in Patagonia?
Ooh, Patagonia.
Music licensing reimagined.
That gold is starting to go.
Yeah,
Right?
I just put 3 contracts on gold on my personal account.
Artlist
Couldn't help
I like-
myself.
I like it, but I'm not joining just yet. Come on, Blue Guardian, let's get a W.
Artlist.io.
Market Butcher. AQR1. AQR23.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, a bit of a pullback there off gold. Right to that trend line. Found support at the trend line. Kind of lining up with my trade of 8s. I don't know if that's just like a start a debut op or something. Look at the gold here. Trading view. Dow's is just so strong today. It's like a 9 EMA.
Music licensing reimagined.
Doing another account giveaway. Come on, Market Butcher. I want a Blue Guardian account. Oh, it just passed my name. Oh, by like 3 people. Low XO. Hello XO.
Have you ever used Blue Guardian?
I haven't, no. Are they? Have you?
Nope.
Artlist.io.
I've heard about them a bunch listening to a podcast.
Oh, yeah.
Can't remember the name of it right now. I'll get back to you. But haven't even checked into them yet. I'm still trying to get all my accounts well organized and managed.
Artlist.io.
I'm not gonna put in another prop firm right now until I can be a little more comfortable with the ones that I got.
Yeah. Oh, we got a top 1 futures account to give away now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Here we go. One more try here. Top 1 futures account. Oh, it passed me. Oh, by 2 names this time. Shoot. So close.
Artlist.io.
It's gonna happen soon.
Music licensing reimagined.
Damn, the Tarak Sahu won, and he won 2 weeks ago. Also, so this guy won twice. Lucky guy.
For a top 1 futures account?
Yeah. Well, maybe he won a different account last time, but yeah, he won 2. This one was a top 1 futures giveaway.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, those accounts are expensive.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I got a pretty busy day today. My mom, well, it's my younger brother's birthday on the 21st. So, and he lives on Vancouver Island. So my mom went yesterday, took the ferry across, and she's going staying there till Monday. So that means I got like extra farm duties right now. Like I got to get there pretty early, and because we have a Great Pyrenees. You know what a Great Pyrenees is? Yeah. We got one of those dogs out there. So, ooh, big slap on gold. And NQ. What's going on here? Is there news or something?
Not really worried about it yet.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Brand new 5-minute candle right there. If we can recover this 5-minute candle back above the that trend line that I have drawn, I think I might join the long there, just showing that the buyers are holding it, right? So the way I'm trading right now, full 9 to 5, while I am young, I can't take all the stress off this market. That's what Zar said. So that's why he's saying another 4 years of grinding.
Yeah, it could be a little stressful.
Yeah. But yeah, you're doing a killer job, Zar. Like, just the way that you can hold your trades is just...
Yeah, it's impressive.
That's the hard part, really. Because usually people can hold the trade if it's going to their stop loss, because you're like, don't want to give it up. But it's like, when it's going in profit, it's so easy to just like take the money. You don't want to feel the pain of not taking the money you could have made, right? But would love to see you join our Discord channel there, Zar, if you feel up to it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Spam all the chats with the Discord channel there. I don't know why like we can't post directly to X through this platform.
I have no idea.
And I've only had one person ever type something in and it shows up on the like the chat here also. Also, you did take that you did reclaim that trend line.
Music licensing reimagined.
I went long there.
And there it goes.
Come on, pop it up here, guys. A little more.
Artlist.io.
Come on, gold, stop fucking with me here.
Yeah. Just as I got along there, now it starts to pull back right away. What the heck? Thanks, Zar. How long do we got left on this candle here? Minute and 24. Ouch, gold. Why'd you do that? Why did you do that to me, gold?
Music licensing reimagined.
Still not seeing a reason to get out of this, so
Yeah.
I got my stop loss down at 41.30, 41.31.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Let's switch up this music here.
Artlist.io.
I think I need to stand up here for a bit.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
This trade's just trying to irritate me now.
Yeah.
Making an effort.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, gold. Let's go.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Not doing a whole lot. Not looking that bearish, but not looking that bullish either. Just kind of,
Yeah, it's because the volume's dried up.
yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's not looking bearish. It's not looking bullish. It's just kind of meh. I think I'm going to see if this can get a little bit into profit and then just cut it.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking too. Come on, go a little more. A little more, a little more, a little more.
Artlist.io.
One off there. See if we can't get a little bit more higher here, guys. Taking that also. There we go. I'm out. $78. Nice. Woo, still going. Still
Music
going.
licensing reimagined.
Just waiting here for a second. How much longer for this candle?
Well, I'm going to start exporting my trades here.
All right.
Took it.
And I'm out.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
It took
Building some more money into that into that account, eh? Into your
it
cash account.
took 6 points on 10 micros.
Wow, nice.
Artlist.io.
Beautiful. I was only in 2 micros. Still, those are in my 2 copy traded take profit accounts. Take profit
Yeah,
traders.
this was yeah. If I was on a prop account, those would have been 2 to 3 micros tops.
Yeah. I almost added. I really should have added on that pullback. I was like, I almost pressed the button.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take the loss on that one.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about cutting it at like a $30 loser.
I don't know what's 10 points on 6, or I'm sorry,
10
10
points is $100
on 10 micros of gold.
So it's $1,000. Because 10 points at $10 is 100 times 10 is 1,000.
Oh yeah, all right. Sorry, I didn't sleep last night. I can't do simple math now.
I didn't sleep very good either, but I have a dumb way of doing math.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I was in at 41.44 and 41.43, and then I sold them at 45 and 46. So 3 and 2 points, or about 2 points on each one actually. So 20, 40. Did I have some money in there from yesterday? Let's see.
Now we're just getting stupid over here. Wait, do I have money in there? What's happening?
Music licensing reimagined.
You just win that much, you don't know where you've got money. Like a squirrel sticking it everywhere.
1851. Okay. All right, let's go back. I gotta upload my Lucid 5 winners at $100. This is looking like a pretty good day in the end, actually. I'm up 150 from last night in my 50K top 1 futures. I'm up 73 in my 200Ks and $100 in all 5 of my Lucids, plus 70 in my 2 top 1 TPT accounts. So pretty much every account's green. Which is a really good way to finish the week.
Yes, it is. And I'm in the same boat with you.
Very nice. Plus all your options.
I don't think either one of us took a losing trade today.
No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, I did. Remember, I got stopped out on that one long early on there, and then I took the same long again and ended up getting it all back and then some.
Yeah, so it doesn't count. We're just going to erase that one off the books.
Yeah, and looking back, like I wish I didn't stop it out. Like I actually cut it. Like I dragged the stop up and I kind of like cut it a little early. It would have survived, but oh well.
That is wonderful.
Music licensing.
All right. I threatened it earlier, but now I'm being serious.
It's official.
Getting the hell out of here. I'm green. I want to stay that way.
Yeah, don't take any more trades.
No, I'm not. I'm done for the day.
Just like me. Me too.
Lock yourself out. I'll see you Sunday night.
Sounds good.
If you talk to Christine, tell her I miss her.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
I'll see you later, man. Have a good one.
You too. So it's just us now, chat. Just us. Just trying to get my trades uploaded here to Tradezilla. So that was number 3. Number 4. Leave to the account. Right here. Got lots of exporting to do. Every one of my accounts. And then number 5.
Artlist.io.
So 700 so far in there. My on my day. Let's see, did I export this top one futures trade last night? I think that was after midnight, so I'm probably going to add to today's total. Futures 150.
Music licensing
There's no
reimagined.
execution, so I guess I already did that trade. Already exported that one. Okay, so let's export this guy here, which is my July 30 account. Then the August 14th account.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So $750 day today, guys. Pretty good. Happy with that. Ooh, what do we got here? MES is looking like it wants to pop up the highs. Breaking this little trend line here. I must have got this. Yeah. Let's go in. I need to go back and look at my trades here. Make sure I got that.
Artlist.io.
Must be on yesterday's. What time did I take that trade?
Artlist.io.
Okay, that was yesterday. So that was $160 basically. Oh, but it was like 45.
Music licensing reimagined.
45, 45, 42. 16. Okay, yeah, it's in there. All right, so you guys check this out here. Here's my calendar so far for the month. It's looking super nice right now.
Artlist.io.
Minus these 2 big days. Seems to be my bane lately is I just have these outlying losing days. Up 5K on the month. Even with these
Music
5
licensing reimagined.
7,750-ish. So $12,000 month. I've been kind of hitting those 10+K months the last 2 months now. But if I could just control my losing days. See it.
Artlist.io.
All the accounts selected, yes. Well, glad I took the profits where I did on those on that gold trade because it is pulling back now to my entry price. But yeah, decent month so far. Lots of high win rate days: 100%, 80%, 100%, 100%, 92%, 94%, 84%, 93%, 100%, 97%. 93% today, and then the Sunday 0% because I took one trade basically and lost. It just went. I was on the wrong contract size, added too heavily, and then hit my max daily loss limit. I think I took 2 trades in my Lucid accounts on the 7th. Tuesday the 7th, and hit max loss in those accounts after 2 trades. So kind of recovered those accounts finally after that big loss though, because we're
Music licensing
let's
reimagined.
see here. Take our Lucid accounts here are currently, so this one's up 1,625, a little over halfway to the target. This one's 1,400. Third one is 1,300. And then these two guys they were in a little bit of drawdown. There's
Artlist.io.
like, what is that? $130 in drawdown in that one. And this one is $250 in drawdown. So yeah, happy with the day so far.
Artlist.io.
We got 159 in our top one futures 50K account. We got 73 in our 250K funded accounts. And then on the Lucids there, we got 105 across all 5 accounts. We got
Music licensing reimagined.
7850 in my 2 take profit trader accounts. So those guys are at 1,332 in profit, and the other one is 1,337. So those ones are, what is that? 60, about $760 away from getting to that buffer point where you can get rid of the intraday trailing drawdown, which will give me a little more flexibility on how I manage the trade. That I've been super aggressive trying to close my trades at the highs of the account so that I don't
Music
lose
licensing
drawdown on a
reimagined.
pullback basically. So usually I'm selling on momentum to try to capture that up there. Kazar, thanks a lot for hanging out. Have a great weekend also. And I'll be back Sunday, 3 p.m., 6 p.m. East Coast to stream live for our Sunday session. So maybe I'll see you then. What time do we got here? 7, guys. So we're probably going to wrap it up there. Pretty much green on all the accounts. So probably a good time to walk away and just lock it in on the day. Don't need to risk anymore. Just want to say what's up to the viewers. We got 7 in Nick's X channel. We got 15 in Randy's X channel. We got 2 in my X channel. We got 4 people in my YouTube channel and 1 in Randy's channel. So thanks a lot for hanging out, guys. Definitely, if you're looking for some futures accounts, I would say check out Top One
Music
Futures.
licensing reimagined.
They have a really good discount on right now. I think it's 50 or 55% off. And you can get into their Elite Challenge, which is like their competition or like a challenge account, or instant funded. Use my discount code MBT to get that 55% off. And then there's a Lucid, right? So the Lucid accounts are also really nice. They have one-time fees. You don't have an activation fee, and they have pretty nice payout rules. So definitely check those guys out. You can also get a discount there using my
Music licensing
discount
reimagined.
code MBT. Trevor popped back in for a bit. Nice. I'm just about to end the stream here. Gold is popping up here, looking like it wants to break out of the top here, the 450 level, 4150 level. But I think shouldn't really take a trade here. But it's looking pretty strong, guys. Holy smokes. We're going higher. We're going higher. Got a recent high there up at 41.59. But yeah, I'm not going to risk potentially giving any back today here, guys. So I'm happy that all my accounts are green and logged it all in there. So thanks a lot, everybody, for hanging out. And we'll be back live on Sunday, 6 p.m. East Coast, 3 p.m. West Coast for the Sunday Open. might be a bullish open.
Music licensing
Usually I've
reimagined.
noticed lately that when we've had these, these nice bullish days, and then we go, we're kind of near all-time highs on the overnight session, we end up pushing higher because low volume, it's easy for them to move the price higher, right? So anyways, thanks so much, everybody. Hopefully you guys are all have a great weekend, and we will see you on Sunday.